Unlock the power of social media analytics. Understand your audience. Knowing your target audience's behavior and preferences for content is crucial. Use analytics to dig into the demographics and preferences to tailor your posts. Monitor trends. Your reach can be greatly increased by staying current with trends. Trending topics among your followers and in the larger community can be identified using your analytics. Optimize posting times. In social media, not all hours are created equally. Utilize analytics to determine when your audience is most active, and then plan your posting. Optimize posts. Learn from your best posts. Which of your posts generated the most engagement? Analyze these to understand what worked and replicate your success. Become a social media guru. Armed with these tips, you're ready to maneuver the social media analytics landscape like a pro. Happy analyzing. Study your least effective posts. Your least interesting posts have lessons to teach, just like your best ones do. To prevent making the same errors, analyze these.